Today I want to show you how to make some mango butter lotion bars. What you need for this recipe is mango butter, beeswax, apricot oil, bergamot essential oil, and pink mica. Starting off with mango butter. I love mango butter because it's soft and nourishing, but it's lighter than shea butter and it's completely unscented. So any essential oil that you add to your recipe will come through very nicely. And I also love this 8-ounce little bricks of butter. They're very easy to cut in cubes, which is what you need to let them melt faster. So you want to chop off your mango, put it in a heat-proof bowl, and then add the other ingredients. You want to add 1 ounce of beeswax. I'm using these tiny little pastilles. They are really quick to melt. And if you've melted beeswax before, you know it takes a bit to melt them. But no, these pastilles are amazing. Then you add 1 ounce of apricot oil. Everything goes on a double boiler at medium heat. It takes about 15-20 minutes and everything will be melted. After that, you remove it from the heat and you check the temperature to make sure that is below 150 Fahrenheit. Then you add your essential oil. And then you add 1 teaspoon of pink mica. This is always an optional ingredient. It doesn't do anything for your skin. It just makes your product really pretty. You can use silicone molds or baking cups to pour in your liquid lotion bars. Try to do it quickly and then put everything in the fridge to solidify for about 2 hours. When their lotion bars are completely solid, you can remove them from the fridge, pop them from the silicone mold or the baking cups, and they are ready to use. You just slightly rub them on your skin and there you go. Moisturize all day.